Ребята, всем
Hello guys, my name is Vika and now I film 5th episode about our village life.
жизни или жизни в деревне. Часть 5.
It's going to be a room tour. Ooh, the view from above is better.
Мы специально не убирали.
We kept everything as it is.
Да, как есть.
А может покажем это?
Why don't we show the street of the yard?
Все.
My nephew, Daniel, is helping me. I mean his Petya's nephew, so mine too, right?
Ну вот.
As long as Yegorka is good.
Да.
Yes, good. And he sit on his own. We start off with a trellis. Actually, from the door. It's a very nice house. It's over 60 square meters. Nowadays, they're selling a larch. Larch is considered to be the strongest and longest lasting tree species to be constructed from. For example, the most expensive parquet is a large one. This is a kitchen, and the heart of the kitchen is the stove. The stove is beautiful, big, warm. You could light a fire. Well, since the house is empty during winter, so sometimes it's really cool in the house. This is our guest room where Petya, Igorka and I are staying. This is Igorушka. He's behaving perfectly right now.
Прекрасно себя ведет. Вот и
We have a mosquito net. We order it online. Closing every night because of mosquitoes. Our big size bed, like loft style light bulb, is down.
лампочка.
Not Edison's really, but it's a very cozy light.
Очень уютно дает свет.
It seems to me the things about this interior is a lamp. It's like 70 years old. I think it fits here. 50th century style.
Стиль.
In fact, often the stoves in the center of the Yakut house. We around him. I remember when we were kids, the partition is a pretty conventional wall. Do you see it?
Видите?
This place is solid. And I love that you don't have to buy furniture in the village because they make these cupboards on their own. You can do it yourself. There's a little secret here too.
И здесь тоже такой небольшой.
A shelf here too.
Тоже есть такая этажерочка. Вот мы старались сильно не...
We tried not to clean too much in order, not look too sterile but natural.
Поэтому
Well, if you see any dust, mess, things,
какие-то вещи.
so go easy on us, okay?
И
And instead of doors, there are very tight curtains. Daniel, look out, please. Yeah, and Daniel comes into our bedroom quite often, checking on us.
на все.
All the windows have blackout curtains. We call them blackout because of white nights. As you can see, how it got dark.
Как сразу стало.
Опа.
Опа.
Table. Table, of course.
Конечно же. Егорка.
Do you hear how Igorka pushed?
Тужится. В общем, я пойду.
Anyway, I gonna go do my mom's chores, mom's duty. Let's take a break.
Стол, кстати.
Table is older than us. It means he's 40 years old.
Да, и здесь есть такой...
Yeah, and there is stage here. A table belongs to a mother of Petya's mother. I mean Danila's great-grandmother, who's from here as well, Igor's chair. And underneath is also a children's chair. In many families in Yakut villages, I see children's chairs, and this is a family heirloom. Here we have a washroom area. Well, don't want to get too close.
Стоит?
This is pure ice water and water for washing, also for washing dishes. It's a pretty chaotic, but I hope it makes sense.
Все понятно.
And the second big bedroom. I'm accompanied by Igorushka.
Егорушка сопровождает.
Yes, here are huge beds.
Кроватик. Угу. Так.
Danilushka, show us.
А,
Danil, show him how he's peeping at us. So, how is Gorka? Oh, I want it too. Let's try. How he looks at me. I've always wanted to do that,
я никогда, кстати...
but I've never done it by the way.
Опа.
Ooh, the view from above is better.
Егорка.
Егорка, little boy. Listen, that's funny. Wow.
Прикольно так. Вау.
Yes, pretty high ceiling. Approximately 4 meters. And a half, I think.
Да. Егорка, малыш, сейчас мы закончим рум-тур и к тебе.
What's it called? Polati? To keep you warm. Yeah, indeed. It's really warm.
Вот.
Here's a view from the top.
О!
I almost broke the bed. Look at me. Come on, get out.
Слезай.
Почему?
Because it's dangerous.
Я, видимо, отсюда больше нет. Вита,
What?
помоги.
Нет,
No, I can't. I'm filming.
эпическая.
I shoot your epic fail.
Ты же любишь?
Do you like to watch this kid of video on YouTube? So, careful. More careful. This room is much bigger. Here's a window to the shower.
Надув.
But the way Petya recently painted black the tank to heat up the water. What else can I tell you?
Мне нравится, что в деревенском...
I like that it's so cool in the house.
То есть сон очень комфортный.
I mean, dreaming is comfortable and you can sleep in this hot weather. For example, now outside is 86 Fahrenheit, feels pretty hot and so cool in our house. That's why I'm wearing those warm slippers. Peter's mother gave it to me. Just I so could walk here, in the village, in the house. Lovely home. Let's go to the veranda. Danilshka, look after Igorka. Sorting trash.
Мусор
The hook is powerful. Let's show how to use it.
закрывается.
Сейчас я буду открыть.
Угу. Так,
Like that, okay?
все.
That's it.
Вот.
And now one will open it, no matter how hard you try.
Смотри,
Look at the massive
толстый.
brick wall
Вот. И
and protected door because of harsh winters. So let's move on.
здесь у нас
Here's a very cozy veranda. Sewing equipment.
принадлежности
We left everything here as it is,
было ровно так, как...
Как есть.
right? So we remember it. And if it was too tidy, it would be sterile and somehow unnatural, right? The old veranda was turning into a toilet. Actually, a toilet is a Tiffany's blue color. Now let's go back to the picture. And here I see the one.
Хорошо.
What I made 4 years ago.
Года назад.
Она обошла всю Якутию.
I put on Vika's handkerchief and started running around the summer house.
Хасбоха.
Yes. Then Vika went home and Peter took this picture. No, I took this photo. Oh, really? I thought you were chasing me. Yes, but then I took a photo of you. Okay, let's go. Well, there's a lot of our shoes. The fridge, also there is an underground, by the way. Yes, I should have shown the underground. Yes, and here's the summer kitchen and the oven mechta. Dream. I was exhausted baking buns with it. Quite uneven. We are having meatballs tonight. And then there is the sorting of food, reduced and garbage.
Мусора, да.
It's freezing water. Alright, let's go. Igorshka was a little fussy, so I picked him up.
Посветить надо.
A light? I'll give you a flashlight. Wow, shine please. I can see.
Ох.
Whoa, shallow, right?
А тут колышки стоят.
What temperature is there?
Не знаю, но холодно.
Угу.
Тут вообще жутко.
It's all floor. It's creepy.
Жутко.
Almost permafrost. Bananas are here. I totally forgot about them. Bananas. Alright, let's sit here. They are not bad, are they? Yes. So dark. Have a cover? I had to take a Gorka. He got so heavy. So, what else haven't we shown? Almost everything. The underground was shown, the room and kitchen was shown, the stove too. Why don't we show the street? The yard?
Да.
Alright, let's go. Then I should put on Igorka a hat. Look at this place. This is a typical village wardrobe.
Шкаф. Входной платяной, да.
There is a headdress section, jackets,
Курточки.
to go out into the yard when it's raining.
Егорушка.
You're the head blogger,
Блогер.
the hot YouTuber. That's it. In all the country's houses, the beautiful net.
Прекрасная сетка.
And Chubby meets us. Chubby! On the right hand, we have a Hospor summer house. Show it. It's under construction. It's a summer kitchen. It's got a stove too. Here we can a washroom. This is a typical hand washer. Probably all over Russia, right? To fill a bucket of water, let's move on. And a beautiful shower. Oh yeah, beautiful shower which has already been shown through a window. It's someone's chamber pot. Today I didn't be there. Let's not waste the water because we skimp.
Вот и все.
Because we skimp on water.
Очень экономим.
На воде.
Oh, great. By the way, it smells nice because it's a new shower. It smells good, wood. Showers from heat too. And this is the front gate. This is a wicket. Pretty interesting. A poorly Yakut thinks a fence. I've never seen one of these before. You see, is this? What do you call them? There's a hole in the wood. Please show it, Daniel. And when they arrive, that's how the gates open. I love that some air is circulated. No high fences behind someone hides.
Прячутся. Кто-то.
It's transparent, it's visible, and it looks very aesthetic and authentic. So Yakutian, and it's great. The horse came in and showed all the lids in. Why are these splinters here? Right, the horse got his face. She wanted to drink out of the barrel. Tricky, isn't it? Not from the ditch, but from a barrel. Clean water. The water here is paid 100 rubles per barrel. You have to think beforehand.
Воду мы...
So we save water, consumes consumption.
Вот.
There is enough water now. It was only filled last night, was it?
Да.
We drink ice water and this one is for household use. Let's go. And this is show Danielshka. Yes, it is very ancient, also made of larch. You see, if the larch is not painted, what it becomes? She, of course, is also very old. Oh, have a look. He's coming in. Yes, here we have
Здесь у нас, конечно.
a mess.
Так.
Well, what's normal for a barn? We have an ancient machine. By the way, it's brand new.
Абсолютно новая. Машина.
The machine is not this one. Yes, the machine, of course. This is the sewing machine. What you're making is a scrappy papier-mâché mask for a child horror movie.
Маше будет. Для детского ужастика.
For a short movie. This is where we tell scary stories, right, Igorka?
Да, Егорка?
Look, it's cool here, right? Even in this heat after a whole day.
Я сейчас...
It's 4 in the afternoon. I wanted to say 4 hours of heat. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's move on. Have you filmed it yet? Yes. Film grandmother. Film her. Finished? Grandmother and grandfather is there. And he runs away. Film grandpa.
А чё?
Chubby, catch him.
Костик.
I'm totally tired. The heat is unbelievable. The hardest thing to do today was makeup eyelashes.
Ресницы накрасить.
Preparation, yeah, preparation.
По WhatsApp пишет, да?
The papers are here.
Известие 90-го года.
Известие of 5th of August 1985 year. 1989 year. Hungarian leaders paid a visit to Federal Republic of Germany. American assistance to Colombian troops. Decree of the Presidium of the Supreme Soviet of the USSR.